Alright, man, what's good, YouTube? It's about Chauncey Real, and today we back with our weekly update. You feel me? We had a bad week this week, man. Like I said in my other videos, man, we're ready to make money, we're ready to lose money, we're ready to take L's, and we're ready to turn L's into license. And no cap, we did all that this past week. We started Monday nice, man, and then Tuesday, bam. Wednesday, bam. Thursday, week. Friday, ooh. So it's like, all right, look, right now, if you guys new, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Like this video so I can come with you guys every week with a weekly update. You guys see the numbers right now, man, and looking good. We all in red right now. See, we all in red. I'm going to show you guys how it started the week off and how it ended for us, man. Sharing good. All right, let's go to 1 week. So you guys see over here. Okay, when was it? January 11th. Was that Monday? Yeah, I think so. Oh wait, nah, that one Monday. Is that Monday? Oh yeah. When was Monday? Okay. Alright, yeah. Alright, so yeah. January 11th was Monday, and then like Tuesday. You guys see? Tuesday. Bro, we were up, bro. We were on our shit on Tuesday. 4,200 on Tuesday, you feel me? And then this Tuesday now, you see? 4,003, 4,000. You see what I'm saying? Bro, we had our shit right, bro. We were winning. We were winning. We were winning all January 12th. We were winning, bro. That's on Tuesday. We were winning, bro. Look, you see? And then this where like the devil came in, right? You guys see the graph now? See it? This shit started to slow down now. I'm gonna explain to you guys why this shit started happening. Cause you see, like, when we started winning on Monday, I'll go back. We made like 300, right? And then the end of Monday, we made something good. And then the market closed at around 340, you feel me? At the end of the day, we made like 400, 475, almost 500 I did on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, your boss started to get greedy now. But we were still making money too. We're still making money. January 13, we're still making money. We're still making money. Money. What the fuck, man? So, bro, look, bro. You see what I'm saying over here, right? And then, I'm going to tell you guys this stock like fuck a nigga up, right? This the nigga. Bro, this shit started going downhill. Downhill, all the way downhill. And bam, bro. See where we at right now? Yeah, we at 299. 297. That's where right now. All right, if you guys see over where you guys see like NIO 2.5 call expires today. This the nigga that fuck us up, right? I ain't gonna lie. This NIO nigga, bro, he fuck us up. Let's see. Bro, I'm gonna show you guys how many shares we got on NIO, bro. So this is the first one, bro. You see, we lost all our money. Cause we saw NIO took a little dip. So when that happened, it was like, you know what, we're gonna jump in so we can get quick profit real quick. But NIO had like a whole different thing in mind, bro. That shit started to go down and down and down. And let's go wait, there's more. Hold up, there's more. And then bam. DBX, Dropbox. We thought like we ain't had like a little dip that shit was gonna go back up. But we didn't have a lot of money in it though. We lost like $100 on this, on Dropbox. And then bam, next one. Your option was expired. Okay, so that happened. And then NIO expires today too, bro. We had like so many option calls with NIO. And bro, you see this like almost 400, bro. We're over here. To the return, bro, we lost all our shit, bro. Cause we got like 2 shares, you know, 2 amount and stuff like that. Cause we saw the lower dip in NIO, bro. And just like that, bro, fuck us up. And then another one again for 63. NIO call for 63. Bro, I saw the dip. I was like, all right, you know what? We about to make money off this shit. And we lost another 176. You feel me? That's the shit that fuck us up, bro. And then what? This was just like a little thing. It was $9, like $9. That ain't shit. And then, bro, that's it, man. Like NIO fuck us up bad. But right now, I'm gonna show you guys how we're looking. We need NIO to pick his shit up next week. We got one call for one for $63 for next Friday. So right now, you see we down like 253 already. So if NIOs don't get back up and alright, niggas, we're gonna be down. Alright, you see after hours right now, it's up 59%, 0.59% with 56.60. Alright, that's one. And then we did a put on Coca-Cola, you feel me? That shit gonna go down. Let me see how we're looking right now. Shit, we up $8 in there. And then Twitter. Yeah, Twitter, we're losing in Twitter too right now. But we got a lot of time though. We got 122. That's next Friday too. And then we got Dropbox. I got a faith in my Dropbox. I ain't gonna cap, bro. We're down 17 right now. But we still got time. Got till like February 5th for it to go back up. And then we got it right down here again for 24.5. 24.5 on the call. And then we got another Dropbox, you feel me? And then we got Clover Health. This one we did like a $15 call on it because it had like a little bad day right over here. So we did a $15 call on it. Let's see how it's looking right now. Right now it's at 14. I think it's gonna go up. How much time we got? We got to like 219. That's like February 19. Now you guys do not want to see this one, man. Gosh, the gas line. We did some dumb shit over here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So now like we down $77. But what I'm gonna do? We got time though. It's like 3:19 before it expires. So as soon as it go up, we get a little profit. We're gonna sell that shit. We're gonna be out. Cause I do a $75 call on the motherfucker. Feel me? I ain't mean to curse, but shit, I'm losing my money, yo. It's at 53. Once it go up a little bit next week, or next month, or the next month, we gonna sell it. We're gonna take out money. We're gonna be gone. And then we got NGA. Feel me? Nothing Genesis. So right now, we got $15 in return today, and we're down 40 for the week. But I think NGA gonna come in clutch for us. I think it's gonna come in clutch. We still got time, bro. How much time we got? We got till 3:19. That's like March 19. But yeah, that's why I got for today, man. You guys make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like this video, and look, we're gonna come weekly with this kind of video so you guys can see. But starting next week, I'm gonna make sure we post like video every week with all our calls we're making and all the money we're making during the week. We're gonna make sure we come back strong, man. But yo, we took a big L this week, and we're ready to learn from it, and we're ready to come back strong, man. Look, I know I ain't the only person who took this fat L this week, so I ain't even worried about it, though. Everybody gonna take us, everybody gonna learn from it, and I wish the best for everybody. So look, I hope you guys like enjoy this little video. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and let's see a big F you to NIO.